everybody! If you notice, there's a change of venue, a little bit different angle, because this is going to be the first of at least 4 videos for the month of December that are going to be special and different than my normal videos because I got an advent calendar. Do you know who got me this advent calendar? My boyfriend did. And he got it for me for my birthday in November. But I saved it for you guys. We're going to be opening 6 every week of the 5 surprise mini brands that comes with 4 exclusives. I don't know what that means. And there's 24 inside, so if my math is correct, that means, yeah. All right. Okay. All right. I cut the tape on it. Let's see if we can actually get it open. All right. Flip down. Ooh. Oh, and they're not in order. Now, small problem. For some reason. Oh, it was being wobbly, but now it's not now. How cool is this? It's all cardboard, obviously. Real shopping brands that fit in your hand. I already have a whole bunch of these. If you've seen some of my videos, I got to actually film some. But, yeah. So, where's number 1? You guys can see it. I see number 2. I'm not crazy, right? Where's number 1? Is that number 1? Like, I'm going to end up, like, pulling out number 11. I think that's number 1. Now, what way does it... Oh! Oh my goodness, people are right. These things are hard to open. Oh, there's the little tab I was missing. I'm hoping that other videos go a little faster than this. All right. Where is it? Oh, it's supposed to be in that. There's like a little plastic thing in there to hold it, but it wasn't in that. What do we got here? Do we have some sort of syrup? Is this Hershey's syrup? Day number 1, check this out. Hershey's syrup. And on the back here, we have all the ingredients and whatnot. I don't know, that's really tiny. I can't see, but look at that. It's solid, like, what do they call that? Plastic, vinyl, whatever. Awesome! I'm going to put them over there. People usually put them down on this thing, but I feel like since that was such trouble, they're going to topple over. So it's going to go right there. All right. Had a coughing fit. Okay, I don't know which ones are going to be like the super special ones. So we're going to discover this all on our own. They seem to want to open from the side first and not this little thing. Give me a second here. I might edit out the struggle. I might leave it in because that's just funny. There we go. Door number 2. Is this one of those little drinks that you twist the cap off and you can drink it and like there's a little itty bitty bit in the cap and you could suck it out? Is it like a Kool-Aid jammer or what are they called? Okay, what do we got here? Focus. I think they're called Mondos sometimes. It is not focusing. That's the back of it. That is so cute. Like, I feel like if you wanted to... I'm not going to do it, though. But I feel like you could twist off this cap. I'll see it in post editing and be like, oh, it is a Kool-Aid jammer. Oh, it is a Kool-Aid jammer. There he is. Boy, I'm dumb. Day number 2. All right. Number 3. I'm sorry that I was really loud, but I'm so excited right now. Number 3. 3. That's 13. Oh, right here. That didn't work. Sometimes if you push on the one side here, but for some reason, both of them... I'm afraid I'm going to snap a nail. There we go. None of them are any longer in the little plastics there. What is this? This feels like a little disc. Oh, I almost dropped it. Do you see that? Icebreakers. It's icebreakers gum. It's like the little tins, but like it's round. Of course it's round. What am I talking about? Ooh, it's icebreaker sours. Those are good. It's a round plastic disc that they just put the stickers on to make it look like it, but at the same time it's like, you know, and you know what? I've seen people say that you could use these for like American Dolls or like little Barbies or something like that, where like, you know, it's play food for them. This is cute. All right, let's put that over there. All right, number 4. Number 4. It's probably plain as a day for you guys. Right there, it's right in front of my face. Excuse me. Come out. Open. Boop. Oh, Mentos. I knew it was Mentos because we've gotten them in the 5 Surprise before. This is probably like the fruit flavored one or something. Oh. I'm sorry, the light is catching the plastic, but I believe it is. Look how big this is. Look how big this is compared. And this is almost like half the size, not half the size, but like, you know, like a real container, really big. Like, there's nothing in it. You can't open them. I've tried before, and other people have tried, like they cut them open and stuff. Yeah, because, no, that don't open. If it did, that'd be kind of cool. But you see how big they are? Like you could use them for like any sort of like, if you were a little kid that wanted these. Number 5. Up here. Okay. Okay, it's getting a little bit better if I use both thumbs. Both thumbs, not just one. We have a tin of, I'm going to say it's nuts. Like some sort of nuts, because like this reminds me of them in the store. Yes, Blue Diamond. I don't know what kind of nuts. What are you? Are you roasted? Salted? Are you almonds? Are you almonds? I don't know what you are. It could be peanuts. It could be almonds. It could be... It's almonds. But I love how like it really does look like... I'm sure if you've seen them in the stores, you've... Like it looks like the tin on the bottom, but it's not. This is plastic and it has the little cap. Oh, I'm way more excited than I should be for these. I really am. Okay, last one for today, number 6. I remember seeing number 6 because I pointed it out, didn't I? Right there. All right, 2 thumbs. Oh, yes, worked a lot better. Ouch. Oh, there we go. Oop, don't do that. We're gonna come. The doors say something. Anyway. Oh, we got a golden. We got a golden something. Is it golden Hershey's? It is. It's a golden Hershey's syrup. It's so shiny because of the light in here. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've gotten another golden one. I've opened a bunch of the 5 Surprise, but I don't think I actually opened any of the golden ones. That is so cool. Look at that. And... it is, whoop, that knocked over. See, they're exactly the same except for one is golden. The golden ones are just like, the rest of these are like the commons, and the golden ones are like rare ones. You could potentially get them like in the actual 5 Surprise balls that they come in, but they're more rare there. You're like kind of guaranteed for like exclusives. So what do you think? Isn't that awesome? It's so much fun, but I am hurting my finger a little bit to open these. All right. I will see you next week in next week's video for 6 more. If I can remember how to count to the next 6. And we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.